This is example on slide 68 of our chapter 12 PowerPoint for calculating molarity. So the problem states, what is the molarity of 60 grams of sodium hydroxide in 0.25 liters of sodium hydroxide solution? So first off, I'm going to make sure we know what units of molarity are. Molarity is typically represented with a big M, but it can be broken down. It basically means moles of solute over liters of our solution. So in this problem, we have liters of solution, but we're given our sodium hydroxide in amount of grams. So in order to get from grams to moles to be able to calculate molarity, we're going to need to divide by sodium hydroxide's molar mass. And the molar mass for sodium hydroxide is 40 grams per 1 mole. And you can get that by looking at the periodic table, adding together the molar mass of sodium plus the molar mass of oxygen plus the molar mass of hydrogen, and you should get around 40 grams per mole. So now I'm going to take 60 grams of sodium hydroxide and I'm going to divide that by 40 grams sodium hydroxide in 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. That's my molar mass. So that's going to cancel out the grams sodium hydroxide. I'm going to be left in my mole amount, which happens to be 1.5 moles of sodium hydroxide. So now my next step is to divide my moles over my liters of solution to get into units of molarity. So I'm going to have 1.5 moles sodium hydroxide over 0.250 liters of solution. And when I divide this, I get that I have a 6 molar sodium hydroxide solution. And that's how you calculate molarity.